Redshift 3, there are one extension is you can use the calculator to do cosine formula, which is a formula 2. Okay, this is formula 2. Okay, the first letter you need to write this. The first letter is the first S, and the second number is second S, and the theta you need to write down is the 60 degree. So you just enter 7, execute, and then 4.5, execute, and then 60 degrees, execute, and you will get the opposite side. Okay, so I try to express in detail is b squared equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine b, because this is a SAS format. Okay, and then you substitute the number in it, and you can do it by calculator. Okay, which is equal to this one, so it's save time to do calculation. Okay, so b is equal to 6.14 cm, 3 significant figures. Okay, the first one, and then for second one, so in this time any SAS format here is obviously this 2. Okay, and that means a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine angle A, right? So that means a squared is equal to 5 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 5 times 10 times cosine 54 degree. You can apply by calculator, and you will get A is equal to 8.14 cm. Okay, 3 significant figures. And remember, solve the triangle, so we need to find the angles B and C, and this time we can apply the sine formula to finish this question. Okay, so we can write down sine angle B over B is equal to sine angle C over C, and which is equal to sine, you can find the angle of angle B first, so sine angle A over A, and therefore you can write down sine angle B over 5, substitute the value of A and the value of length except small letter a. So this is 54 degrees over 8.1 something. I save it in the calculator, and then you will get the angle B is equal to 29.8 degrees. Okay, so once you finished angle B, it's easy to find C by angle sum of triangle. So angle C is equal to 180 minus angle A minus angle B, and you will get the value is this one, and then you will find the number is 96.2 degrees and corresponds to 3 significant figures. Okay, so in question number 3, solve the triangle again. So first step, I try to find the value of this one first. Okay, and then similar to question number 3, so it should be obviously this is SAS format, so therefore you can write down as AC squared, which is equal to this 2. Just apply the formula once again and again. Okay, cosine angle B, and you will get this by calculator. You will get this one, so in 3 significant figures, which is 25.6 cm. Okay, first part and second part. Okay, I try to find angle C first. Okay, this is the second part. So sine C over C is equal to sine B over small letter b, that means AC. So sine C over 12 is equal to sine 48 over 25 something. Okay, so that angle C is equal to 20.4 degrees. So 3 significant figures. Okay, so and then therefore for angle A, so that means angle A is equal to 180 degrees minus 20.4 degrees and then minus 25.5 degrees. So I don't write too many digits, okay, because it's time consuming. So in the exam you need to write down in the all digit, okay. So or you can just write down this, the letter is here, is also okay. Okay, this one is also okay. So angle A is equal to 112 degrees, okay. So we finished question number 3, and for question number 4, solve the triangle. We have 3 sides in it, so we can apply the cosine formula because this is a S format, okay. So therefore we try to find cosine B first, okay. So here is for cosine B, which is equal to b squared minus a squared minus c squared over negative 2ac. So just remember the formula. We cannot use calculator this time. So cosine B is equal to, that means substitute the number in it, and you will get the answer of cosine of angle B is becomes 46.56 something, and which is equal to 46.6 degree. 3 significant figures. Okay, this is the first part, and then second part I try to find angle A, and which is by sine formula. So sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, because we have a pair of angles, right? So which is equal to sine A over 4 is equal to sine B. I write as 46 point something over B is 6, and you will get angle A is equal to 29.0 degrees. Okay, so finally for angle C we can apply the angle sum of the triangle. Okay, and you will get is 104 degrees. Okay, that's the end of question number 4. And for question number 5, okay, in the triangle we have these data and find the smallest angle. Okay, remember smallest angle is the shortest side, the opposite angle of the shortest side, then this is the smallest angle. So that means we find angle C here. So we apply the cosine formula because it is a SSS format. Okay, so it will become cosine C is equal to 11 squared minus 24 squared minus 27 squared over negative 2 times 24 times 27, and therefore angle C is equal to 24.0 degree. 3 significant figures. Okay, and the last one for question number 6 is just opposite to question number 5, is largest angle. So that means we need to find the longest side, which is B. That means what we find is angle B, right? So I apply the formula. Cosine B is equal to b squared minus a squared minus c squared, like this, and you will get cosine B. Just substitute that value of ABC, and therefore you will get this value. So it's not difficult to substitution, you just remember the formula correctly. So you will get angle B is equal to 110 degrees. Okay, so that means the largest angle is 110 degrees. Okay, so that's the end of worksheet 3.